Hi, Dennis Ray here. While there are a number of excellent free online office suites available, Google Docs stands out as one of the best. Let's take a brief look at Google Docs and discuss whether or not you should use it. You can use Google Docs on a PC, Mac, or mobile device. Nothing needs to be downloaded or installed on your computer, but in order to use it, you'll need an internet connection. And to gain access to the suite, you must first create an account. To get started, you go to either docs.google.com or drive.google.com or accounts.google.com. I'll put links for them in the video description below. All three take you to this page where you can create an account. Once you have an account and sign in, you will see the Google Drive page. And then you can go to these 9 dots up on the top right. And if you hit those, you'll see what apps you have access to. But we're mainly concerned about Docs, which is similar to Microsoft Word, and Sheets, which is similar to Microsoft Excel, and Slides, which is similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. This area will list your files and folders if you've made any, and you can change the view on this. Right now it's in list layout, and you can change it to grid layout and back again. Then on the left side you have listings of these headings for home, my drive, computers, shared with me, recent, stored, spam, trash, and storage. This shows you how much storage you've used, and you have up to 15 gigabytes to use. To create a new file, you can go to this bar, new with a plus sign, and if you go in that, you'll see new folder. You can upload a file, upload a folder, and then it lists these apps that are there for your use, more, and you can connect with more apps too. And then if we go to one of these like Google Docs, click on the arrow to the right. This will allow you to make a new document, either blank or from a template, and this is what the template looks like. And you can see there's quite a few to choose from there, and all very useful. And that's true of all the other apps too. Let's take a look at one of the files. This is my list of videos that I made for YouTube. And this was created in Microsoft Word, and then I put it into Google Docs, and the formatting is right on. It's not any different from what I had in Word, so Google Docs is highly compatible with Microsoft Office. The document has a dark look because I added an extension called Docs After Dark. Once you've made your new document, it's a good idea to go up in this area and rename it. And you can star it so it's easy to find. It can be moved like to another folder. And this is document status. If you click on the Docs logo, that will take you to the list of your docs. And if you click on these 3 bars, that will take you to a list of the apps where you can see the listings for those, and settings, help and feedback, and back to Google Drive. On the top right is the share button, and this is where Google Docs really shines. You can collaborate your file in real time with the people you select, no matter where they're located, in your home, office, across the country, or in another country. Below the share button, there are these other buttons that you can use. Access to your calendar, keep, which is to make notes, to your tasks, to your contacts, to maps, and then you can get more add-ons too. The main menu has all the features you'd expect of a modern word processor: file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, extensions, and help. And it has a very nice toolbar. We have undo, print, grammar check, the size of the view, text, fonts, and in fonts, you can select the font, of course, that you want, or you can add more. And some of the standard buttons there: text color, alignment, spacing, paragraph indent, and very important, editing, where if you're collaborating with someone, you can either do editing, suggesting, or just viewing. And then if you don't want to have the main menu showing, you can hit this arrow and it will disappear. And back again. Any new document that you make or any changes that you make to the file are automatically saved in Google Drive. I am not going to beg you to like this video and subscribe to the Dennis Ray channel. But you know, I work so hard to make these videos, and just, okay, come on, like and subscribe, okay? I guess I lost control. Sorry. Like and subscribe, okay? Thank you. Back in home, if you go down to the file line, you have these actions that are available to you: share, download, rename, star, and then if you hit these three buttons, you have some of the same actions and more. Then we can look at the spreadsheet app, Sheets, and this is my example of an inventory with a list of tools and a chart to show the numbers of tools on hand for 6 months. I created this file in Excel and uploaded it to Sheets, and it didn't lose or change the formatting, which was actually a nice surprise. The main menu has many of the same features as Microsoft Excel: file, edit, view, insert, format, data, tools, and help. And the toolbar has many of the same features as Excel does, and there's this search menu, import file, undo, let's see, view size, font, fill color, borders, merge cells, horizontal alignment, and there's insert comment, insert chart, filters, filter views, and of course functions. One more thing to mention: in Sheets you have the same sharing capabilities as in Docs. Then there's the Slides app. The main menu and the toolbar have everything you would ever need for some really nice presentations. There's file, edit, view, insert, format, slide, range, tools, help. A lot of features there. And then to create your new slides, there, undo, let's see, to insert a text box, insert an image, a shape, lines, add comments, background, layout, theme, transitions. And then it has the same share capabilities as Sheets and Docs. And to start a slideshow, you just hit this button. So we'll do that and see what this looks like. So these are the pros and cons of using Google Office apps. First, the pros: it's easy to use, collaboration with peers, easy to set up an account, nothing to install on your computer, always available with an internet connection, and highly compatible with Microsoft Office. And the cons: I had some difficulty making slides in Google Slides, but that may be due to my own learning curve. Having to upload and download files, the uncertainty of having files online, not as many features as the paid versions of Microsoft Office 365. Some final thoughts about Google Office apps. Who would benefit by using it? It would be good for home users, students, small and large businesses. The Google apps don't have as many features as the paid versions of Microsoft Office 365, but then again, it is free to use. Is it safe to use an online Office suite? Well, your computer is password protected, but an expert hacker could easily gain access to it. Google Office apps are also password protected and encrypted on Google's end, but an expert hacker probably could gain access. What about Google using information in your account? Google says they do not, but anything you put on the web is not completely and totally safe. And then again, anything on your computer is not completely and totally safe either. So should you use Google Docs? I do, but I'm careful about putting any personal information on Google Drive, and I'm also careful about putting any personal information on my computer's drive. For the most part, yes, Google Office apps are safe to use as an online Office suite as long as you are careful. That was Google Docs, an excellent online Office suite. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye.